Ever wondered how cryptocurrency could change your lifestyle? In the next 5 minutes, I'll explain how crypto is not just an investment, but a whole new way of living. From financial independence to shaping the future of society, let's explore how crypto is changing the game. One of the most significant ways crypto is changing our lives is through financial freedom. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are decentralized, meaning they're not controlled by any central authority, such as a government or a bank. This decentralization is a game changer, as it gives individuals more control over their finances. With crypto, you can send and receive money globally in minutes, bypassing the need for banks or intermediaries that often come with high fees and long waiting times. For people in countries with unstable economies, this is a lifeline. Crypto offers a way to store wealth outside of the traditional banking system. It's a new kind of financial independence that allows you to access and protect your wealth regardless of what happens to your local currency. In a world where inflation and currency devaluation are real threats, cryptocurrencies offer an opportunity for financial security and autonomy. Another way cryptocurrency is transforming our lives is by becoming a legitimate payment method. More and more businesses are starting to accept crypto payments for their goods and services. Companies like Tesla, Overstock, and even Starbucks now allow customers to pay with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other popular coins. This trend is growing, and as adoption increases, it's likely that cryptocurrencies could eventually replace traditional currencies for many daily transactions. Imagine walking into your local coffee shop and paying for your coffee with your smartphone and a crypto wallet, or buying groceries with just a few clicks on your phone. This shift is not just about convenience, it's about flexibility. Crypto offers an alternative to cash and credit cards, allowing for quick, seamless transactions without relying on traditional banking systems. The more businesses accept crypto, the more integrated it becomes in our daily lives. Cryptocurrency isn't just about spending, it's also about earning. With the rise of staking, yield farming, and decentralized finance, DeFi, platforms, individuals can now earn passive income simply by holding or lending their cryptocurrency. Staking allows you to participate in the validation of blockchain transactions, earning rewards for your participation. Yield farming involves providing liquidity to decentralized platforms in exchange for returns. These new financial tools are allowing everyday people to earn while they hold on to their crypto. But that's not all. Crypto is also creating new investment opportunities. From NFTs, non-fungible tokens, to investing in emerging coins and crypto startups, there are countless ways to diversify your portfolio. Unlike traditional stock markets, the world of crypto offers quicker and sometimes higher returns on investments. With the right strategy, you can grow your wealth in ways that weren't possible just a few years ago. Beyond just finances, cryptocurrency is creating a new sense of community and lifestyle. It's more than just about holding coins or making transactions, it's a movement built on values like decentralization, freedom, and innovation. Crypto enthusiasts from all around the world are coming together on platforms like Reddit, Twitter, and Discord to share ideas, insights, and even collaborate on projects. For many, adopting crypto is not just about money, but about embracing a new way of thinking. It's a shift towards a more decentralized world where individuals have more control over their financial and digital lives. The crypto community is passionate about the potential for blockchain to disrupt and improve existing systems, from finance to voting to healthcare. By embracing crypto, people are not just investing in a new technology, they're adopting a new lifestyle, one that values transparency, openness, and the empowerment of the individual. Looking ahead, the future of crypto is incredibly exciting. As blockchain technology matures, it's likely that we'll see entire economies transitioning to blockchain-based systems, where every transaction is transparent, secure, and accessible. Central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, are already being explored by governments, and they could lead to more inclusive, global financial systems. We could see global finance become more decentralized, allowing people to transact across borders without the need for traditional banks. This could make financial systems more accessible to everyone, particularly those in developing regions or underbanked populations. The technology behind crypto is also poised to disrupt industries far beyond finance, such as healthcare, supply chain management, and even how we vote in elections. Crypto's potential to redefine how we live, work, and interact with each other is limitless. It's not just a passing trend, it's a movement toward a new financial and societal paradigm. Crypto is changing the way we think about money, transactions, and community. It's offering financial freedom, creating new opportunities for earning and investing, and fostering a global movement towards decentralization and innovation. It's not just about cryptocurrency as an asset, it's about living in a new world where you have more control over your money and your future. As adoption continues to grow, crypto will become an even bigger part of our daily lives. If you want to take part in this revolution and embrace a new way of life, crypto could be the key to unlocking a future where you live on your own terms. For more insights into how crypto is shaping the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Like this video if you believe crypto is changing the world, and drop a comment. How has crypto impacted your life? Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video.